amigo, amiga, good evening. This is Lulu Chef Mash po, guys. Look at this. Ano to? Well. This is vegetable carrots, ampalaya, and that is egg. Okay. Actually, guys, I just want to thank, Ate Mimi is now vaccinated. Thank you for the government and all the, the senior here in Sampaloc. They're now vaccinated with I forgot what vaccine is that. But anyway, I would like to thank all the people, who had vaccine today, and for those people who's gonna wait for us, or even me and all, we're waiting for the good and the best one. Anyway, guys, look at this. Go back to my cook. This is egg. I cut it again into three, and that is carrots, ampalaya, and this one beans. Okay, are you ready, guys? I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, go. Tcharam! Woohoo! Guys, this is vegetable. Sabi kasi ni Ate May, mag-cook daw ako ng gulay lang. Guys, walang pork, walang meat. Kasi gusto niya kainin yung gulay lang. So, ayan, I cook for her. Kasi sabi ni Ate J, shout out to Ate J. Hi, Ate J. Anita, Roy Sue, Uno, how are you? Manang, the dogs, Rowan, Gian, and Dagu. So guys, look at this. Sabi ni Ate G, i-cook ko raw siya. Si Ate Nini ito. Ayan, gulay. Guys, alam mo ko na ito, ginisa lang. Beans, tapos ginisa ko lang yung bichuelas, yung carrots, yung pakbet. Actually, ibang style ng pakbet to, guys. May combination of hotel pakbet and Ilocano pakbet. So, yan yun. Guys, ang sarap. Shout out to Sean. Hi, Sean. Good morning, Mama Z and the boys, DeAndre, Deshaun, and Dante, his girlfriend, and Maria, Chris, his friends, and all the people in California. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody, guys. Look at this. Vegetable lang yan. So, sinutay ko lang siya, guys, ng onion, garlic, and tomato. Ayan na. Yan yung kinalabasan. Tapos ayan yung itlog. And then, ito naman yung gulay. Guys, alam mo kasi ako nagbablog sa kitchen. Kasi nandito siya, natutulog dahil pa-vaccine siya. So, at least siya, congratulations, vaccinated na. So, isa na lang hinihintay niya. And then, kami yung ibala pa. Yung mga iba dito, we're all waiting. But anyway, God is good. Lahat sana sa buong Pilipinas, buong mundo, mag-vaccine na. Para tapos na yung, alam mo na, para back to normal na tayo. Hindi yung old normal, yung new normal. As in, back to normal. And then we have to change na, all of us. From the best. Good, better, and best. Okay? So guys, ayan yan. Ampalaya na yung gulay. Ampalaya na dahon. Tapos ayan, nakita niyo yung onion, garlic. Ang sarap, di ba? Ang tawag dito, guys, is sauté lang na vegetable. Pakbet. Pero ibang style ng pakbet to. Sabi nga ni Ate, ano naman niya? Pero agwag ka, gusto niya yan. Pag natikman niya mamaya yan, bonggang. O, diba ang tara? Iba to, diba? Nag-reflect yung ilaw kasi nasa kitchen ako. Guys, ayan yan. Ang sarap. Shout out to all my friends, relatives, cousins, and sa Europe, US, Middle East, Asia. O mga bata, look at this. Ibang style to, pakbet yan, pero nilagyan ko ng carrots. Wala yung baboy, walang karne, gisa lang yan, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang. Tapos onion lang, and onion, sibuyas yung pala yun. Pepper lang, and salt. Yun lang. Tapos yung itlog, dilaga ko lang, ganun lang. RT, o diba? Shout out to everybody, hi! Ingat po lahat, and always take care. So, para po lahat, magkaroon tayo ng maraming blessings lagi. And then, thank you pala sa mga nag-greet sa akin ng birthday ko. And then, sa Mother's Day, binati natin yung mga magulang natin, kapatid. Lahat naman may asawa, di ba? Mga kaibigan natin. And then, may God bless us always. Mga bata, look at this. So, gawin nyo ito, Ayan, nakikita nyo, di ba, kalabasa. Beans. Ano pa? Kalabasa, beans, and then carrots. Ayun lang. Tapos yung dahon, imbis sa ampalaya, dahon na ampalaya yan, guys. Tapos gagawin ko, munggo. Kaya sabi natin, ito lang daw gusto niya. O yan, makikita niya mamaya to guys. Iba na yung dating. Shoutout to Mates. Hi Mates, Babsi, friends. Ingat kayo dyan. And then, laging laging, alam mo na, laging good vibes lang. Friends, enjoy mo si Daddy. Nandiyan na Daddy Babsi, Mami Mates, okay? And then, si Ate G naman, hi. Ate LB, JLJR, hello. So, lahat ng mga mahal ko, you know who you are, kamag-anak ko. And then, shout out to Maria and Chris again, friend of Sean, okay? And then lahat ng mga friends ko sa US, Europe, Middle East, Asia, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Buenos dias, buenas noches, buenas tardes. Como está? Okay? Guys, gulay yan ha. Ayan na, alam niyo na kung paano gawin. Bichuelas, kalabasa, carrots, ayun lang. Tapos meron siyang dahon ng ampalaya. Pakbit siya, pero ibang version. O diba? Para in-order na naman sa restaurant, RT. Diba I told you guys, kailangan magpi-plating kayo. Ayan, magdi-dinner kami mamaya ng sister ko. Tapos gagawin siya ng cucumber na merong vinegar. Kasi pagka nagpa-vaccine, dapat puro fruits kayo, no? Or vegetables. So wala mo ng karne, wala rin baboy. May prawns nga ako dyan, tsaka chicken, ayaw niya. Ito nilang dito. Gulay ulit. Guys, ang sarap. Hi Jemuel, hi Arnel, Lou, Edward, mga kaibigan. Tita Rachel Amado, DC IQ, Tito Montulfo, Sir Martin Andanar, and all. And kay, Mr. Dio De Troili, President, and all. Guys, election na next year. So, sino man yung tamang iboto, yun na lang. Wala na yung mga magic, okay? Ang masasabi ko lang, pag maganda yung ginagawa mo sa government, maganda rin ang balik. Pero pag palpak ka sa government, kahit anong position ka pa, mula maliit hanggang malaki, palpak din yung results na. Diba? So ako, I just wanna be honest, transparent, and I know what is good and what is not good to everybody. Okay? Kaya ako, tinuro ng magulang ko, kami magkakapatid, always be nice and kind to our family, to everybody. Kasi kami din naman mag-ayos na, pati lahat tayo. Lalo ng pandemic. Alam mo guys, itong pandemic, blessings to. Para sa akin, ito yung masasabi ko. Ang pandemic guys, parang magulang natin, nagalit yung magulang, pag lahat ng mga anak tamad. Lahat hindi nakikinig. So lahat pinagbago. Mayaman, mahirap, may pera or wala. You have to stay at home. You know, you have to focus to your family, to your friends, to your husband and wife. Ayun lang lahat ng ginagawa natin. Kahit gano'n pa karaming kotse mo, wala, nasa bahay lang, di ba? Kahit gano'n karaming pera mo, ganun din. So, lahat nag-struggle. So, sana ito maging blessing sa ating 2021, starting today until 2022 and so on and so forth. Lahat ng mga bata, matanda, lahat. I mean, we have to take care of ourselves. So, lahat magpa-vaccine na, okay? And that's good for us, for our family, for ourselves, for our friends, and all. So, paano guys? I'm getting hungry. Ulitin ko yung niluto ko, lang to, pakbet na may carrots. Pero wala yan sa huga. Gulay lang. Yung ampalaya ko, ampalaya na dahon. Guys, ang sarap, tinikman ko naman. Gusto ko naman kumain ka na, syempre, maganda sabi ko ate ko. Diba? So, paano? This is Lulu Shop Mashpa. Good evening, everyone. Always take care. Always be happy. Ganun lang. Happy lang. Tapos do the right thing. As in, bongga. Hi, Uno. I miss you. Apo, always take care. Ingat ka sa paglaro dyan, ha. Kayo nila mami ni daddy. Okay, may God bless everyone. This is Lulu Shop Mashpa. See you on my next vlog. And, oh yeah. So, shout out again to all my friends, classmates, elementary, high school, and college. Hasta la vista, baby. This is Lulu. See you on my next vlog. Ingat po lahat. Mwah!